right now we are seeing the biggest disruption. Right? When I was in school, internet वगैरह था, मेरे को इतना पता नहीं था क्या था. Then iPhone happened and all that. And then, but right now AI, it's probably the biggest disruption. बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, right? AI jobs ले लेगा ये वो, and probably yes. Uh, but at the same time, we need to adapt to it. I think my thought is कि पहला let's try to solve our own problems, right? So there are a few initiatives in the company where we are adapting to AI. Yeah, this is a big wave. I think यहाँ पे it's a big change. And I think I'm seeing people so जो somewhere they are not able to.
The fear of unknown.
हाँ, fear of unknown. कि भाई ये कुछ नया आ रहा है. What I would suggest is कि भाई ये जर्नी ज्वाइन करो, ट्रेन में चढ़ जाओ. वो डिबेट कर रहे लोग, आई वुड से करने दो लोगों को. और फोकस, वी आर इंजीनियर्स, फोकस शुड बी कि इसको लेके हम क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करें. सो या, बट इट इज अ बिग डिस्ट्रक्शन.
Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of Socho and Sikho Saga. Today we have a very special guest with us, a little boy from NP Shah School from Agashi, and moves and becomes vice president of a multinational company, Mr. Kunal Bharti. And we are going to experience his story, his journey, his experiences, challenges, and how come a little boy from Virar moves to Austin, Texas, and rocking the engineering world as a leader since past 15 years. So welcome Kunal, welcome to Socho and Sikho Saga.
Thank you, Shidiya.
So Kunal, how it all started?
It started in 2007. So my best friend Nikhil and I, we were both studying masters MCA. At the same time, we were also teaching in Viva College. So Nikhil was teaching, I think, Java, and I was teaching Linux. So हमारा intent ये था कि we'll get some pocket money and at the same time do masters, right? And so around that time we met Nishant in college, and we just had a casual discussion. And at that time, Nikhil and I used to do weekend projects and just general कुछ ना कुछ activities Nikhil and I used to do. And um, in fact, we also I'm recalling it now. We also went to a celebrity's house to install Linux in their machine. So it was always both of us doing something, right? I'm trying to recall the movie that he made. He was a producer.
Okay.
I think कोई जैकी श्रॉफ वाला मूवी था, काला बाजार के ऐसा कुछ का. So but yeah, I mean, we used to do those activities, and जब कुछ नहीं है, then we used to learn new things. So at that time we met Nishant in college, and we had a very casual chat and what we do and what he's doing. And obviously Nikhil and I wanted to show off, right? कि हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं. So we did. And somewhere Nishant thought कि ये लोग काम के बंदे, right? So I think we received an email from Nishant next day, and I received it, and he was like, let's meet. So हम लोग पहुंच गए बोरीवली, Nikhil and I, and Nishant told us let's meet in CCD. Now this is funny because I mean हमको इतना पता नहीं था कुछ बाहर, right? So Nikhil and I, this is my favorite story I tell to everyone. So Nikhil and I, we get down at Borivali, and we were like, okay, CCD किधर है? the next question was CCD क्या है? Because we didn't know what CCD is. ठीक है. So then there was another Nikhil who we called कि भाई CCD क्या होता है? So थोड़ी देर के लिए तो वो हंस रहा था हम लोग पे कि भाई तुम लोग महा बेवकूफ लोग हो. Right? So then he told us कि अच्छा CCD मतलब कैफे कॉफी. So we reached there. Nishan was already there, and we had a discussion again. And another funny incident there. So अभी वहाँ पे ऑर्डर क्या करना है वो भी इतना पता नहीं था हमको, राइट. सो निखिल ने कुछ ऑर्डर किया, मैंने किया, मेरे में शुगर आया नहीं, मैंने बड़ा सिप मार लिया और नेक्स्ट 2-3 मिनट्स मैं कुछ बोल नहीं रहा हूँ. एंड निखिल फिगर्ड कि मैं विदाउट शुगर कुछ ऐसा पी गया. देन so it was funny overall, but that's where we kind of started, and Nishant was like, okay, this is my plan. And the person he is, I mean, he had his own plan in mind, and he knew कहाँ पे जाना है, right. I am very sure जब आप उनसे बात करोगे he'll be like नहीं मैंने ऐसे start किया, but नहीं, he always has that vision, right. So that's how we got started. Next day, and we started in the Viva College, right? Viva College, पुराना college में lab था, and we were allocated 3 PCs there. उस time पे PCs था, laptops तो था नहीं, so we were allocated PCs in a corner, and वहाँ से हम लोग ने हमारा journey start किया. And Nikhil and I thought we knew everything, but फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट में थोड़ा समझ में आ गया, अच्छा नहीं अपने को भी सीखना है काफी कुछ, राइट. बट या दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड, वेरी इनफॉर्मली, एंड विदाउट अ वेरी फॉर्मल काइंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू. ऐसा कुछ आई वुड से इट वाज एन इंटरव्यू, बट एट द सेम टाइम ऐसा लगा नहीं कि भाई हम लोग बहुत बड़ा प्रोसेस से जा रहे हैं, राइट. सो काफ़ी कुछ निशांत ऑलरेडी न्यू, काफ़ी कुछ वी थॉट कि अच्छा इनके साथ काम करेंगे मज़ा आएगा. दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड, एंड स्लोली थोड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स आने लगे, राइट. निशांत हैड फ्यू कॉन्टैक्ट्स, सो ही ब्रॉट इन लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड वी स्टार्टेड विद दोज. देन धीरे धीरे वी स्टार्टेड इन्वॉल्विंग अदर पीपल इन द कंपनी, एंड फिर टीम, आई थिंक आवर ग्रोथ टू 40 was pretty quick, and I think पहले 2 साल तक कुछ 10 लोग थे, but then we right away became 40, and that's the journey, and that's the starting point.
Yeah, I mean, amazing. I mean, ये सोचना भी कि from that CCT journey to
Yeah.
this journey,
Yeah.
when we have like CCT type of coffee vending machines everywhere, every corner in this
Yeah,
office,
yeah.
and right in Virar.
Yeah.
So that's an amazing growth or journey that we can
Yeah.
both say. But ये पहले से था कि programmer बनना था, like as a child,
हाँ,
how
मतलब,
was you?
मतलब और कुछ आता नहीं था, ठीक है. एक ही चीज आता था, वो was computers, right. And most of my day was with computer. So I think as a family we bought our first computer in 96 from what I recall, and तब से I knew कि this is what I wanted to do. So
पर जब स्कूल में थे तो स्कूल की जर्नी कैसे थी? Like what type of a kid you were? Shy kid or a bratty kid?
नहीं, I have always been super shy. मैं ऐसा मस्ती में करता था, बट आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा विजिबल मस्ती नहीं था कि किसी को मार दिया, ये वो ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ फेंक के मार दिया, राइट. वैसा मस्ती नहीं था. सो इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ क्वाइटर मस्ती, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन वेरी शाय. सो इवन इन स्कूल आई थिंक एज अ स्टूडेंट आई वुड नॉट कॉल कि मैं बहुत एज अ ब्राइट स्टूडेंट था. आई वाज नॉट. आई वाज बैक बेंचर. मेरा एक ग्रुप था, उनके साथ हम लोग मस्ती मजाक चलते रहता था पूरा दिन. सो I would not show off my grades to anyone. I'm not very proud of it. But at the same time, I would say कि academics में marks तो नहीं थे, but pretty sure लॉजिकल थिंकिंग जो था वो बहुत स्ट्रांग था. So I think that has helped me, but doesn't speak. My marks doesn't speak to that.
Yeah.
So उतना results इतना अच्छा नहीं है. So even मेरी daughter के साथ जब बात होता है, I mean कभी कभी ऐसे ही मजाक मस्ती में कभी मेरी वाइफ पूछ लेगी तुम्हारे मार्क्स कितने थे, राइट? सो नॉट समथिंग आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ, बट या एज आई सेड आई वाज वेरी लॉजिकल फ्रॉम स्टार्ट.
Yeah, and I think जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे तो marks was a big deal, but I think अभी people have realized, I mean, apart from just the number, I mean, yes, it is important
Yeah.
to certain extent, but knowledge is more important over the whatever grades you are getting.
Yeah.
So I think वो अभी लोगों के पल्ले पड़ रहा है बोल सकते हैं हम with
Yeah.
the grading system कि it is irrelevant. वरना वो show off भी करना बहुत ज्यादा होता था हमारे जमाने में
Yeah, I
schools
think
में.
वो the time period was little different, right? Marks were important, and I'm pretty sure for some families it is still important, right? But times have changed, and I mean I do appreciate the toppers. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not academics में top करना is also not easy, right? And at the same time they have logic, they also have memory. So I mean I appreciate the fact कि वो लोग इतना मेहनत करके top पे आते हैं. So even मेरे जो class के toppers थे, they are doing well in their life, I mean really well. And again उनका मेहनत एक अलग है जो वो लोग करते हैं. And I think over time I have learned to respect that as well, right? कॉलेज में एक एटीट्यूड रहता है कि अरे मार्क्स क्या खा पाएंगे, राइट? बट उसमें भी मेहनत लगता है, राइट? मार्क्स लाने में मेहनत लगता है, और साथ में क्या बोलते हैं, साथ में करियर बनाना भी है, उनको भी बनाना है, राइट? सो उसमें भी मेहनत लगता है. सो दे आर डूइंग, आई मीन फॉर श्योर उनका मेहनत मेरे से ज्यादा था, राइट? आई वोंट से कि भाई वो लोग खाली बुक में ना खाली पढ़ा करते थे, वैसा नहीं है. फॉर श्योर वो लोग मेरे से ज्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
And any fun story from NP Shah, like आपकी स्कूल जो आगाशी में?
Lot of fun stories actually. Let me try and recall few. So yeah, एक मेरा एक दोस्त था, and कुछ हुआ, उसका एक लड़की का झगड़ा हुआ, and उसने उस लड़की का, जितना मैं रिकॉल कर पा रहा हूँ, उसने उस लड़की का वाटर बॉटल कुछ ढक्कन वक्कन तोड़ डाला. अभी वी वर ट्रबल मेकर्स इन क्लास, सबको मालूम है मस्ती इन ये पीछे वाले तीन चार टेबल नहीं किया होगा. सो उसने कुछ किया था और किसी को पता नहीं था जिसने किया था उसने, और लड़की को पता था जो है यहाँ से ही हुआ है. उन्होंने हमारा नाम लिया और टीचर ने बुलाया, डाटा, वो स्केल से, वो तभी तो था, राइट? सो वो भी हुआ, लेकिन हमको किसी को पता ही नहीं कि हम क्यों मार खा रहे हैं. हमको भी, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस भी था कि मस्ती तो हम में से ही किसी ने किया है, तो नाम तो किसी का नहीं लेना है, बट मार क्यों खाया वो 2-3 दिन बाद पता चला. सो वो एक था. एंड कॉलेज में था मस्ती जब this was with Nikhil. So if you speak college, you will hear a lot of Nikhil references. By the way, Nikhil and I started this journey together. अभी भी साथ में, I'm happy about it. So एक बार ये हुआ कि कॉलेज में निखिल और मैं लास्ट बेंच पे बैठे थे, विवा कॉलेज का ही बात है अभी, and we were very good with our teachers. I mean, we were very respectful. मस्ती भी था but respect भी था टीचर्स के साथ. We would spend time, कुछ experiments, कोड वोड लिखते रहते थे पूरा दिन. So वो सब चलते रहता. One day our professor said कि चलो भाई बुक्स निकालो, लिखना है. अभी निखिल तो ऐसे ही चल के आ जाता था कॉलेज में, तो उसके पास तो कुछ नहीं था, बुक ही नहीं था, ठीक है. मैं बैग लेके आया था एंड मुझे लगा ठीक है मैं लिख लेता हूँ. बैग में हाथ डाला, कुछ नहीं आया. बैग ऐसा मैंने उल्टा किया, अंदर से एक पेंसिल बाहर निकला, एंड दैट्स इट. or there was no books, nothing. And again, my 3 years of degree, again इतना एक स्टूडेंट्स को मैसेज ये कॉपी मत करो, बहुत प्राउड होने का बात नहीं है, बट माय 3 years मेरा एक ही नोटबुक था, वो भी आई थिंक 10-12 पेज भरा होगा, बस दैट्स इट, ये पूरा मेरा डिग्री. बट या दीज आर लाइक लॉट ऑफ, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फन मेमोरीज. काफ़ी कुछ मस्ती ऐसी है जो मैं नहीं शेयर कर पाऊंगा, बट हाँ, काफ़ी मस्ती किया है हम लोग ने. बट अगेन आई थिंक both of us were not those kids जो किसी का डिसरिस्पेक्ट करे या ऐसा सब, वैसा वैसा कुछ नहीं किया हम लोग ने. नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन एनी फाइट्स, नोवेयर, नथिंग, नो.
सो 10th के बाद में आपने क्या किया, मतलब व्हाट हाउ वाज दैट जर्नी? आई मीन आई नो
Oh,
यू
yeah.
टॉक्ड अबाउट वीवा कॉलेज,
Yeah.
बट क्या क्या
Yeah.
स्ट्रीम थी एंड
That was, I mean, academics wise, even worse. I mean, so I failed 12th. ठीक है, HSC फेल हुआ था मैं. But that was the year which I think made my career. ठीक है. So I discovered world of Linux. I think this was 2002. And फिर मैं community में काफ़ी involve हो गया, and काफ़ी कुछ activities में part लेने लगा.
कम्युनिटी एज इन
So there used to be Linux user groups, जो आजकल भी होता ही है. And basically all the Linux enthusiasts, they gather together and they speak on certain topics that they have learned, and क्या चल रहा है Linux world में, ऐसा एक groups हुआ करता था.
एंड दिस ईयर वाज
This was 2002 and 2003, back a while back. And I think from there I got introduced into a lot of great people actually. So one of them was, so the person who introduced me to community is no more, but he was really good. He helped me a lot. And his name was Dinesh Shah. And uske baad, I think I met Dr. Nagarjuna. He used to work for TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. He was a great guide. We used to visit TIFR to meet him. And he was also, I think he was chairman of Computer Committee of India, something like that. And unke paas bhi we learned a lot. And he also came to college for a session. So he was really great. And also, you know, the community, Linux mein, what I enjoyed is there is, there is a real community aspect. You can talk to anyone. Okay? So when the Linux world is incomplete without another project called GNU, GNU. The founder of GNU is Richard Stallman. The thing is, I was also able to talk to him. So it's not either hierarchy, it's community, right? So you can reach out to anyone, talk to anyone. Obviously, they will respond if they are interested, right? So I got to speak with a lot of people in the year that I failed. So I was happy to utilize that failure as a opportunity. And I mean, that is a year, 2002 was the year where I learned a lot. काफ़ी कुछ explore किया, काफ़ी कुछ new languages. So again, Dr. Nagarjuna was the person who introduced me to Python programming language. उस टाइम में तो पता नहीं था, बट उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया, एंड आई लर्नड Python in I think 2002, 2003. So yeah, so that was a game changing year for me. It was a failure, but at the same time, I think I kind of needed that failure to, I think, to make my career out of it. Again, so academics wise, really bad, but personally, it was probably my best year. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, abhi it is, you know, we have started normalizing taking breaks, or even if you want to, you know, if you are fail in a flunk in a year, and that's fine to, it's normalizing. But it's still, I mean, ghar se kaise tha? I mean, how was the atmosphere?
It wasn't good. So I recall my, obviously कोई गुस्सा नहीं कर रहा था ऐसे घर पे, ठीक है, बट एक ये रहता है राइट कि गुस्सा नहीं कर रहा है बट बात भी नहीं कर रहा है ना, तो बात नहीं करना इज इवन वर्स, राइट. सो यू सी कि भाई दे आर नॉट प्राउड ऑफ यू, राइट. ऐसा देयर समवेयर वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे मैं करेक्ट उतरा नहीं, राइट. सो इट वाजंट वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि मार झाड़ की है राइट किसी ने, बट एट द सेम टाइम I was disappointing myself in a way कि भाई they could have been proud of me, right? If मैं थोड़ा effort डाला होता, which didn't happen, right? And from that angle, it was bad, and I think credit to my parents, they worked on normalizing the environment, right?
Correct.
I've seen people जो fail होते हैं and उन पे फेलियर का इतना प्रेशर आ जाता है फ्रॉम होम कि वो बाहर ही नहीं आ पाते, ठीक है. एंड आई मीन माय फैमिली सपोर्टेड मी दैट वे वेरी वेल, एंड आई थिंक अगेन not proud of the failure, but at the same time very disappointed with my own result. So it was disappointing for them, disappointing for me, my sister. So it was a low period of my life, but my family supported me in that. So they helped me with even ये जो community वगैरह participation, right? उस time पे these meeting used to have Linux user groups meeting used to happen in IIT वगैरह, ठीक है. So उस time पे ऐसे ही निकल जाना घर से to attend that meeting, right? So this also requires some trust कि भाई जा किधर रहा है, right? ऐसा, right? So वो मीटिंग्स अटेंड करके एंड घर पे आगे लर्न करना. फिर एक ये भी था कि 2-3 बार मैंने मेरे डैडी का सिस्टम उड़ा दिया ये सब चक्कर में, ठीक है. सो ही इज एन अकाउंटेंट, डेटा उनके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड 2-3 बार ऐसा हुआ कि ये सब लर्निंग के चक्कर में उनका डेटा उड़ गया, राइट. सो उस एंगल से तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गाली खाया है, बिकॉज नॉट लिटरली गाली, बट बिकॉज उनके लिए उनका काम रुक जाता था. अब मेरा तो सिस्टम चालू हो गया बट उनका काम रुक जाता था. एक समथिंग आई वॉज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ और अचानक पूरा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हो गया. सो आई इंस्टॉल्ड Linux on my dad's system. Was very happy. अच्छा इंस्टॉल किया मैंने. I was able to repurpose the sound card driver. तो भी कोड वोड Linux वही वर्ड है, राइट. कोड वोड लेके चेंज करके I was able to repurpose the driver to work for my system, ठीक है. So sound on मस्त चल रहा था, म्यूजिक चल रहा था. What I did not realize कि मैंने उनका तो डेटा उड़ा दिया है, ठीक है. So he came home and I thought कि ये मुझे बताना चाहिए. मैंने बताया. Obviously his thing was कि ये क्या कर रहा है, मतलब ये कौन यूज करता है ये सब, राइट. सिस्टम रिस्टार्ट किया, उनका कुछ आया ही नहीं. सो अचानक वो जो मैं प्राउड हो रहा था जिस चीज में, अचानक मैं बोला अरे यार ये क्या किया मैंने, सब सिस्टम उड़ गया. बट या देन आई थिंक आउट ऑफ, और मैंने ये कई बार किया, ठीक है. उनका डेटा उड़ गया था बिकॉज. सो द गुड आउटकम वाज कि डैड बोला कि भाई तू तेरा कंप्यूटर ले ले. तो उन्होंने मुझको एक नया कंप्यूटर दे दिया. दैट वाज गुड. बट या आई मीन ये सब काफ़ी किया है मैंने, काफ़ी कुछ बिगाड़ा है टू लर्न.
एक्सप्लोरेशन कह सकते हैं. Yeah, and ये सही भी है. I mean, you spoke about parents supporting. It's very important. I think अभी हम देख रहे हैं ये सारी चीजें थोड़ी ज्यादा, या अभी शायद ओवर प्रोटेक्शन towards children भी होता है. But that is still a better thing over कोसना अपने ही बच्चों को for failure or any kind of an I mean not running the rat race, but अगर थोड़ा पीछे भी है तो क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है. हर कोई अपनी एक रेस कर रहा है। एंड आपने जैसे फेल्योर की बात की, आपने सबसे ज्यादा सीखा उसमें, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि जैसे क्लासरूम टीचिंग है उसमें तो बंदा सीखता है चलो 25%, लर्निंग बाय डूइंग से सीखता है चलो 75%, बट 90% सीखता है जब कोई फेल होता है.
Yeah.
So failure gives you the most,
Definitely,
I guess.
definitely. Yeah.
So we already talked about, I mean, college में कैसे हुआ, and निखिल के साथ आपने, you mentioned निखिल a lot of times.
Oh yeah.
पहली मीट कैसी थी? How do you met him?
Yeah. So eventually मैं पास हुआ था 12th, right? I still know I had 3 results. So so मुझे एडमिशन मिला in science. So BSc science. Then I wanted to do BSc computer science. ठीक है. So I switched to that. Thankfully college allowed me to do that.
You were in Viva College.
Viva College, yeah. Students पूरा बैच फुल नहीं था तो उसमें मेरा नंबर लग गया. I got lucky. So that's where I met Nikhil. Again start में it's not that day one पे हम लोग एकदम खास बन गए, right? So start में we had different groups, then we eventually started studying together. Nikhil was like, you know, सबका टीचर था वो. साथ में पढ़ाई कर रहे, तो निखिल वाज द पर्सन जो सबको सिखा रहा है, राइट? एंड ही वाज रियली गुड एट एकेडमिक्स. आई मीन ही वाज ऑलवेज टॉपर. ठीक है, वो पढ़ाई मेरे जितना ही करता था, बट वो हमेशा टॉप पे ही आता था. सो ही हैड अ रियली गुड मेमोरी. सो बट या इवेंचुअली निखिल एंड आई बिकेम क्लोज. एमसीए भी साथ में किया, राइट?
और एमसीए कहाँ से किया आपने?
ठाकुर कॉलेज, कांदीवली. एंड तभी उस टाइम पे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम वगैरह वो सब भी साथ में ही पढ़ाई करते थे. सो फिर वीकेंड साथ में, राइट? देन जॉब साथ में. सो सब कुछ आई थिंक फ्रॉम 2003 निखिल एंड आई हैव been together in each part of our journeys. So yeah, we are fond of each other. Yeah, if there is a book written on me, it cannot be completed without Nikhil, and for sure for even his book. So yeah, it's been a great friendship. And I told you, right, starting के पहले इधर भी निखिल बैठा है. I need Nikhils in my life. मेरा confidence बढ़ गया यहाँ पे कोई निखिल बैठा है. Yeah.
Okay, Kunal. So when you think about raw engineering and the way you mentioned how you guys started, but let's talk about the journey from, you know, the first employee, or you and Nikhil being the first and second employees. Even that is how we tell the stories when even the students and faculties come for industry visit, like how this company started. We always talk about there is employee number 1 and employee number 2, and you both
both are one. So.
Yeah, that's a great analogy. Like both are the one, like the first employees, first citizens of raw engineering, we can say. So how that journey till VP of raw happened?
So yeah, when we started, so पहले तो कैसा था कि कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट आने दो, कोई ना कोई तो कर ही लेगा, राइट? there was no front end engineer या back end या तू ये कर expertise, ऐसा नहीं. सब लोग सब कुछ कर रहे थे, right? At least till we were 10. ठीक है. So I think with time, so I went into DevOps. My expertise was that, and Nikhil went into development projects with time. And I think जब product journey चालू किया raw engineering ने, then Nikhil was leading the product side of it. I was leading the DevOps side of the product. So फिर ऐसा distinct roles आना चालू हुआ. But जैसा मैं बोला, start में it was do everything and do anything. कोई भी projects आ रहा है, ले लो, चालू कर दो काम. And start में, I mean, it was never कि हम लोग को ऐसा whatever we received as a project, it was always there was always learning curve. ठीक है. So ये कभी नहीं हुआ कि भाई एक प्रोजेक्ट आ गया ये 2 दिन में करके दे दें. Whatever we got was complicated and complicated enough for us to learn. And again, this was all Nishan's contact, right? And his efforts. Again, in that period, he was doing everything, right? He was CTO, CEO, sales, everything. सब कुछ वही कर रहे थे. एंड सो अगेन एज आई सेड कि कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है हम लोग पिक कर रहे हैं, काम चालू कर रहे हैं, एंड एवरीथिंग वाज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इनफ फॉर अस टू लर्न. I think somewhere in, I think it was 2011 or 12, we decided कि okay, now we want to be a product company, and that's where our product journey started. And at that time I was involved in some robotics project. So वो काफी जबरदस्त था. I mean there were physical robots जो के सामने मारामारी कर रहे हैं, and the data used to sync to cloud so that वो online game भी खेल पाए. ठीक है. So it was a very good project. So वो एक मेरा चल रहा था. Then around 2010 we also started getting into mobile. So mobile development 2010 में start किया हम लोग ने. And या उस टाइम पे आईफोन जस्ट एप्स वगैरह का इकोसिस्टम एकदम बढ़ रहा था. ब्लैकबेरी भी था. So so and in I think it was 12, I think 11 or 12, then we started a product called Backend. So Backend was a product. So basically आपके ऐप को कोई भी बैकएंड चाहिए, you could have used our product. So उसमें भी हम लोग ने मल्टीपल नाम स्टार्ट किए. सो इट वाज कॉल्ड बैकएंड, देन इट वाज आल्सो कॉल्ड Built.io बैकएंड, देन एक Kanu.io नाम आया था. सो बट इवेंचुअली वी सेटल्ड ऑन बैकएंड. सो अलोंग जब बैकएंड बन रहा था वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन कंटेंट स्टैक. सो इट वाज अ प्रोडक्ट जो initially we thought ki works hand in hand with backend, so it came out of backend. But eventually I think obviously Nishan figured ki iska scope is much more, this can do much more than what at least we were thinking, right? So that became, even before that there was Built.io Flow. So ये तीनों अचानक ऐसा 2-3 साल के गैप में ये तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स साथ में थे, right? So Flow was Nishan's dream. In fact, जब कंपनी का नेमिंग कर रहे थे, so Raw Engineering जब नाम पड़ा कंपनी का, there was another name which he had in mind was called Dream Sheet. I mean, basically drag and drop करो sheet पे and that will be your workflow, right? So वो एक था. So around 2-3 years के गैप में ये तीनों प्रोजेक्ट्स आ गए. Obviously then in, I think in 17, Built.io Flow, which was a product, got acquired. Content Stack became a separate company by itself. And now, I mean, now you can see Content Stack, they are huge. And then Raw Engineering was a separate company by itself. And that's where हमारा फिर distinct responsibilities आने लगा. निकल गया मेरा कि भाई अब I have to do this and he has to do this. So that's when थोड़ा role wise हम लोग करने लगे. नहीं तो पहले भाई तू भी ये कर ले, मैं भी ये कर लूँ, सब typical startup, right?
Scaling, scaling happened.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I think 2018 में we split into 3. As I said, one got acquired. One is Content Stack, other is Raw Engineering. Raw Engineering went into sports direction. Basketball apps वगैरह बना रहे हम लोग. And even जो टॉप, मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे नाम लेना चाहिए क्या, बट इवन जो टॉप बास्केटबॉल लीग है वो हमारे कस्टमर है. अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं यूरोप में एक लीग में. सो उनका ऐप अभी लॉन्च हो रहा है. एंड देन देयर इज अ कार रेसिंग लीग जिनके साथ हम काम करते हैं. सो वी आर गेटिंग इनटू, लास्ट 5 years से वी आर इनटू स्पोर्ट्स इटसेल्फ. एंड we also had a web department, right? Which then Content Stack acquired. So yeah, now we are very clear कि कौन सी कंपनी कौन से डायरेक्शन में जा रही है.
And how about like Built.io की story, like how that transition or the software AG and all those
Hmm.
things happening?
So I was not directly involved there. I was doing the DevOps,
Mhm.
but it was along with Nikhil. I don't know if you have met Pradeep.
Mm-hmm.
Pradeep
Pradeep
was there.
Mishra?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Volok, it was basically they built it. The guy was managing DevOps. So when the acquisition happened, they were part of the acquisition. So they went to Software AG. They spent their time there and came back. And I moved to raw engineering. That's where my role changed from DevOps to now handling the whole engineering. So वो एक वो एक थोड़ा टाइम ट्रांजिशन लगा वो होने में.
Right. So अभी I mean अभी कैसे लगता है? I mean when you go back and think about all those years, I mean it's been 15 years. It's a
Oh no,
big
it's been 17 years.
17 years.
17th year में.
Yeah, I mean, and when we see like the youngsters are not like most of the times it's been also advised that you have to jump company every 2-3 years and all those things. What kept you here?
I think uh, it's a good question. ठीक है. So I get this question very often. ठीक है, not only from people internally but also from relatives and किसी बाहर किसी से बात कर रहा हो what ऐसे ही जनरल का आई मीन कोई वेंडर से बात कर रहा है तू इतना साल से यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है राइट सो आई वुड से आई थिंक द सेंस ऑफ ओनरशिप एंड द क्या बोलते हैं उसको एक रहता है राइट कि मैं कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे राइट सेंस ऑफ दैट kept me here. There is always tech, right? I mean, we have always tried new things, tried new innovations. वो तो है ही. But वही है कि the freedom to express yourself, right? Express as in ऐसा नहीं मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but whatever you have to build the freedom to express that, and we have maintained that culture by the way. It's not कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ वही बनाओ, निशान बोल रहा है वही बनाओ. There are a lot of smart people now. काफी youngsters भी है कंपनी में. And I think retention wise, we have done very well as a company. There are a lot of people here who have made career. It's not only me, right?
Yeah.
So काफी लोग हैं जो they are doing well. They are delivering enough projects that keep them challenged, or also वो जो sense of ownership का है, I see they value that, right? So that's the reason I'm here.
Yeah, I think is the culture that you mentioned, culture,
Yeah.
and it's precisely said because we have seen many people over here, many employees are 10-year plus
Yeah.
and still with us.
Yeah.
And it's an amazing story. It's an amazing feeling as well
Yeah.
when we see that people are jumping often.
Yeah.
See that kind of
The other thing is we also the growth भी हुआ, right?
Correct.
There is a lot of new expertise in the company. So उसमें से भी काफी कुछ सीख सकते हैं हम लोग, right? So again, so the learning never stopped. When we scaled, we also brought new talent in the company, new skills, new expertise, new leadership, right? So उनके पास भी काफी कुछ सीखने जैसा है, right? So that learning never stopped, and that also further challenged us कि भाई it's not कि हो गया अभी और सीखना बाकी है, right? काफी कुछ हम लोग और कर सकते हैं. So yeah, that we have managed to keep that alive as a company. There is always some learning for everyone here.
Correct.
And again, saying that, there was one of my friend who used to run a big company. I mean, he is a really smart guy. But and I think at one point he had like employees over 200. They were big back in 2007. That was my dream company. I won't name the company, but in fact हम लोग उनके ऑफिस में भी जाते थे. Now I think they were doing everything right, but at the same time it did not go in correct direction. I would say somewhere there was, from what I know, somewhere there was some ego issues, some problems between the leadership and all that. So that company never, it could have been next public company in my opinion, but they never reached that stage. So when you scale, अगर वो learning mindset नहीं है, then it can bring down the companies.
Right.
But as I said, we have managed to keep that alive, right? Everyone wants to learn, uh, be it me or be it someone who joined last month,
Correct.
right? And be it Nishant. This is something we have learned from him.
Yeah.
Ki you also always have to have that learning mindset.
Yeah, the
and not saying कि
continuous
भाई
learning, as we call it, like
yeah
everyone
मैं सब
says.
कुछ हूँ ऐसा बोल के
Yeah,
नहीं
true.
चलता है वो.
Mm,
Right? You always have to, वो willingness होना चाहिए learning का.
mm. Very true. And how Texas happens now? Like now you have moved to Austin, right?
Oh yeah, I love Austin. uh, I love being there. So again, a lot of things were informal in my life. Right? जैसा मैं Linux का बताया, जैसा company का बताया, it was very informal, casual interviews. Similarly, Austin. So initial plan was to move around Bay Area.
Mhm.
There is a city called Fremont. वहाँ पे almost वैसे ही plan था. So one day Nishant calls and he was like, भाई मैं तो ऑस्टिन जा रहा हूँ, तू भी आ जा. I was like, चलो. There was no question, right? So yeah, that's how Austin happened. But I love Austin. मैं बहुत घूमा हूँ, lot of countries actually. But I love being in Austin.
So you like relocated with family to
Oh
Austin?
yeah. I relocated with my wife and daughter. Yeah, they love Austin as well. I think उन्होंने भी काफी कुछ देखा US में, but they want to be in Austin. I want to be in Austin. Yeah.
And I will not call it like an exact comparative analysis, but when you think about Virar and when you think about Austin, like any one good thing, one bad thing, like
there is nothing. I would not say there is anything bad. But in Austin, you see that diversity, and कैसा सब diverse लोग साथ में रह भी रहे. And that's what US is. That's what Austin is, right? Diversity में भी साथ में सब लोग, there is that sense of community, right? Virar, I mean, I love Virar. मेरा घर है यहाँ पे, right? Obviously, I miss my friends. So again, there is no. I would say both are very different to be compared, right? And I think I started my career here. I would love to continue what I have built upon in Virar, in Austin, right? So I would want to continue that. But yeah, I do miss Virar, but at the same time, I do love Austin. So
yeah,
it's both.
Yeah. So is Masala Bling is one of those things like you're taking Virar with, with you to Austin.
So it's not me. So it's my wife's company. She's running it.
Okay.
And मैं उनका IT person हूँ. Whenever they need help. So जैसे email setup करना था वो मैंने किया. थोड़ा warehousing वगैरह के time पे obviously husband wife है, we talk. So वो सब process वगैरह जो था वो सब discuss कर रहा था. But it's Kruti running along. So there is a sales leader in the company, and the company is doing well. In fact, I think we are in the Masala Bling is in 65 stores now.
Oh,
in last 6 months. So
that's great expansion.
But yeah,
I mean, yeah.
But yeah,
it's been how many years since you started Masala Bling?
So yeah, the date I remember, it was the company formation was Republic Day, India ka 26 January 2021.
Okay.
And I think the actual website वगैरह it was in June, and then there was a thought कि retail में expand किया जाए. Then Kruti started working into it. Then retail में फिर again she brought in the sales leader, so it's her running the company.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so her thought is कि this is like spices for the world but with some Indian twist ऐसा.
Mhm.
So yeah, but I mean they are, I mean, the company is doing well. I'm happy. I'm happy that Kruti is proud of it.
Yeah.
uh, and it's her baby. Uh, I'm just, I'm the IT guy of the company.
Yeah. I mean, it's a great story again. I mean,
Yeah, the best part is मुझे सब टेस्ट करने मिलता है. वो best part है.
Yeah.
Chief taster of the company. So, and my wife is the best cook I know. So जो भी वो बना रही है बहुत अच्छा बना रही है. So yeah.
Yeah. And what about the tech scenario? So the fast pace, the world is going ahead now.
Mm-hmm.
What's your take on it? I mean, in terms of innovation and technology, I mean, it's on another level. I mean,
Yeah.
and I'm especially जो 80s born kids हैं, हम बोल ही सकते हैं कि
Yeah.
I mean, it is when we have waited for the dial-up connection for internet, and right now it's like with the
I think right now we are seeing the biggest disruption, right? We when I was in school, इंटरनेट वगैरह था, अपने को इतना पता नहीं था क्या था वो, right? Then iPhone happened and all that, and then but right now AI, it's probably the biggest disruption. And I think we need to see, बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, right? AI jobs ले लेगा, ये वो, and probably yes, but at the same time we need to adapt to it. I think my thought is कि पहला let's try to solve our own problems, right? So there are a few initiatives in the company where we are adapting to AI, trying to solve our own problems first, right? And see कि, and that's been our learning always, right? पहले हम लोग हमारा problems, even जो products थे हमारे, पहले हम बना रहे हैं services, वो उस पे base रखते थे. There's the similar similar methodology where we are trying to solve our own problems now, and then we'll definitely build something out of it. But yeah, this is a big wave. I think यहाँ पे it's a big change, and I think I'm seeing people, so जो I would not say समझ नहीं पा रहे, but at the same time I'm trying to figure out मैं क्या term use करूँ. But so
anxious,
computer,
lost.
yeah, let's say कि मैं जो कर रहा हूँ ना, वो मेरे डैडी के लिए जो है, वो आजकल मेरे जैसे लोग के लिए वो है जो AI, समझ रहे हो आप?
Correct.
कि वो somewhere they are not able to,
The fear of unknown, we
हाँ,
can
fear
say,
of
like,
unknown,
yeah.
कि भाई ये कुछ नया आ रहा है. What I would suggest is कि भाई ये जर्नी ज्वाइन करो, ट्रेन में चढ़ जाओ, right?
Yeah.
And learn, rather than कि n number of discussions कर सकते हैं, जॉब जा रहा है ये वो, right? वो डिबेट कर रहे लोग, I would say करने दो लोगों को. Our focus, we are engineers, our focus should be कि इसको लेके हम क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करें, right? So yeah, but it is a big disruption. I would say कि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने ये नहीं देखा है ऐसा. So we should better adapt to this.
Yeah, so you mentioned about the tech scenario and how we should join this wave, as Nishan mentions, the tsunami of AI is coming, and we all should ride the wave, not drown in it. So आप कुछ advice देना चाहेंगे? Like, there are a lot of youngsters and students who are involved with our other companies as well, like Academy that we have with our parental company. So any wise words for the students?
Yeah, one is focus on basics. You still need that. ठीक है. काफी कुछ, I mean, बीच में जब मार्केट एकदम हाई था, राइट? सो काफी लोग ऐसे थे जिनका मैंने इंटरव्यू लिया है. I mean, they wanted to solve complex problems, but they didn't want to learn, वैसा हो गया, right? So उनको basics पे ही question mark था, right? So I would, to students I would say कि, I mean with all AI and all that, let's also ensure कि आपको basics पता हो चीज़ों का, right? Secondly, वो learning mindset चालू रखो, right? And focus on solving small problem at first, right? I mean, everyone wants to be adventurous, मैं ये बना दूंगा वो बना दूंगा, right? But पहले small problem solve करो, right? Pick up your uh, ये इसमें मैंने पोस्ट भी किया था, so आपने ये सीरीज देखी होगी डॉक्टर हू, so he always has his TARDIS, right? As a, so pick your TARDIS, right? कि तुम्हारा क्या है वो skill, जो आपका specialty, pick that, and then solve the problem, ठीक है? And obviously with AI there will be unique problems to solve, right? Obviously learn AI, adapt to AI. अपने को एक्टिविज्म नहीं करना है कि ये जॉब्स ले लेगा, ये वो स्टूडेंट्स का उसमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, राइट? लर्न एआई, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. एआई इन अ वे इज ग्रेट लेवलर. अभी सब लोग सेम इस पे ही आ गए कि भाई सब लोग को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, सब लोग सेम प्रॉब्लम्स देख रहे हैं, सब लोग को सेम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. So again, adapt to that, and yeah, solve the problems you see, which can build your career. Obviously, Instagram पे टाइम पास बंद करो, राइट? ये सब तो है ही एडवाइस, राइट? अभी भी नीचे भी मैं आ रहा था अभी ऊपर, आई सॉ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो ऐसे ही चल रहे हैं, राइट? चलते हुए भी वही यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? सो स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दैट, फोकस ऑन योर करियर, बी सीरियस, एंड वेरेवर यू गो, जहाँ पे भी जॉब कर रहे हो, स्पेंड टाइम देयर. ऑब्वियसली ऐसा नहीं कि, आई मीन, स्पेंड टाइम देयर, थोड़ा सीखने के माइंडसेट से चलो, एंड फर्स्ट फ्यू ईयर जस्ट इंश्योर कि भाई आप लर्निंग पे फोकस्ड हो, नॉट कि मुझे सीनियर बना दो, ये वो सब थोड़ा दूर रहो, लर्निंग पे फोकस रखो फर्स्ट फ्यू इयर्स. And yeah, that would be something I advise.
Okay, Kunal. So there is one more thing. Like, people talk about about work-life balance and how all these things happen, and with your professional career and commitments and your domestic responsibilities. How do you answer to that? What's your take?
Yeah. So yeah, आजकल काफी ट्रेंडिंग है टॉपिक, राइट? खास करके कोविड के बाद जब घर पे लोग काम कर रहे थे, अभी ऑफिस में बुला रहे हैं, राइट? सो ऑफिस में आने के लिए फिर बोल रहे कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है. सो व्हाट सी द आंसर इज इनसाइड यू समवेयर, ठीक है? एंड ऑल्सो द वे यू परसीव योर लाइफ टाइमलाइन, ठीक है? सो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, अगर आप ऐसा बोलोगे कि लास्ट फ्राइडे मैंने बहुत काम किया था, सो ये थर्सडे में 3 घंटा कम करूंगा, दैट इज नॉट बैलेंस, ठीक है? फर्स्ट फिगर आउट व्हाट बैलेंस इज टू यू.
ट्रू.
ठीक है? वर्क तो है, लाइफ भी है, बट वो बैलेंस, तुम किस चीज को बैलेंस बोल रहे हो, राइट? आई मीन, आई वर्क अ लॉट, एट द सेम टाइम आई एंजॉय टाइम विद फैमिली. Saturdays, my daughter and Sia, we own the kitchen morning में, right? We try to make something for my wife before she wakes up. I mean, that's the quality time that I get with my family. So again, so whoever is thinking in these terms, I would message ki figure out what your balance is, ठीक है? We are in the industry जहाँ पे हमको रात भर ट्रक चलाना नहीं पड़ रहा है. There are people who are doing that, ठीक है? और या तो ये नहीं है कि हम लोग को लेट्स से कि स्टोर है जो हम लोग को नाइट में चलाना है. वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट. ठीक है. बट देर आर पीपल हु आर डूइंग दैट एंड दे आर नॉट सेइंग कि भाई मेरा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस नहीं है. भाई वो लोग कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. So again, what I would say is figure out what the balance is to you and work according to that. For me, the time I spend with my family, that has to be quality time. That's my balance, right? If you're saying कि भाई मुझे there is also a concept of me time, right?
Yeah,
So
it has been increased a
so
lot. Like
so
people,
yeah, I mean, it is also a little fair. I
Yes.
need my me time,
Right.
and I've realized कि when there are a lot of people around me, I'm not very good with speaking to a lot of people. I'm very introvert, so but ये जब बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं ना आजू बाजू, it becomes an exercise for me कि भाई थोड़ा बोलना है मुझे. So there I do need me time. फिर मैं थोड़ा ब्रेक लेता हूँ अकेला, बीट घर पे भी हो या कुछ भी सोशल हो, मैं
Right.
ब्रेक लेता हूँ एंड सिट अलोन फॉर सम टाइम, राइट. बट इफ योर me time is scrolling through 30-second videos, वो सब है,
Yeah.
then that's not me time. तुम और प्रेशर ऐड कर रहे हो. There are a lot of studies out there that say कि भाई ये this is adding more pressure on you than than the work. So think of your life as a whole timeline.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Then try to figure out the answer कि भाई balance meaning क्या है balance का. ठीक है. You have to work and you also have to live your life.
Correct.
Right. But balance factor क्या है वो तुम खुद पता लगाओ.
Yeah.
That's what I've been answering to everyone.
Yeah, very very rightly said and very well. I mean, जब हम me time की भी बात करते हैं, when we always say that there is also a community time,
Yeah.
which we don't see happening a lot in India. But you mentioned about Linux community and how you as a 17 or 18-year-old boy helped you or shaped your career and that particular year.
Oh yeah. That I mean अभी तो और बहुत ज़्यादा है, right? You
Yeah.
see there is
Access to communities is there because of
Yeah.
technology.
there are people in our team who are part of React community.
Right.
They are actively participating. Those guys are doing really well.
Yeah.
So ये सब opportunities अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा है,
Yeah.
right?
And that can be a very well use of me time as
Yeah.
well when you are doing something for yourself
Yeah.
and you feel good about it because you're also giving.
Yeah.
So that give back, which is also a culture in our organizations, right from parental organization to raw
Right.
engineering to content stack to Virar Hub to academy, everywhere, everything under Surfboard Ventures, which
Yep.
is also, I think Nishant is one of those visionaries who give this word also to us,
Yep.
like
Yep.
give back.
Yep.
So I think we also pledge people and Virarkar, Vasaikars, Palgarkars to use your me time and also be part of the communities. And we are there and we do support all those communities. So whoever needs us, we are always here. Our office is in Virar West, so you can reach out to us.
Yep.
Yeah. I think that's great way of stating also work-life balance
Yeah.
that you mentioned. And also I think you mentioned like पहले तो लोग पढ़ते भी काफी थे and I think you are also a avid reader. So what do you suggest, like what you are reading right now and how does it help? And
Yeah, I mean, see, reading. So I read a lot of novels, a lot of history, leadership books in the last few years.
Yeah.
So I mean, pick your जो भी आपको सी रीडिंग का एक है कि यू बिकम पार्ट ऑफ इट, राइट. एक स्टोरी अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो तो यू आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट स्टोरी जब तक आप फोकस रहता है आपका, राइट. इन दिस वर्ल्ड जहाँ पे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत है, राइट. वो एक हैबिट है विच आई विल रिकमेंड. आई एम ऑल्सो सीइंग माई डॉटर, उसका 2-3 ऐसा बुक्स है जो अभी वो पढ़ रही है. कल मुझे बोल रहे थे हमने पार्ट 7 नहीं लिया लेकिन पार्ट 8 ले लिया. सो वो अभी पार्ट 7 ढूंढने मुझे. बट या रीडिंग इज समथिंग जो एक फोकस आपका लेके आता है, राइट. एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली कि वहाँ पे आप स्टोरी आपको समझ में आ रहा है, इट ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव योर फोकस. इट हेल्प्स इन योर वर्क, राइट. एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन you becoming a better person. I am firm believer of that. So pick anything you want, but start reading. Reading कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखते ही है.
Yeah, amazing. I mean, yes, as you mentioned, 30-second is the only, the focus right now. It is like you swipe after 30 seconds.
Yeah.
But swiping pages is, better hobby
Better hobby,
over swiping fingers right now, just
yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is amazing. Like,
Thank you.
conversation happening,
Thank you.
Kunal. I'm really, really enjoying.
Thank you very much.
Let's move on to a fun segment now. And it's a game. So I will say a word, and whatever comes, like the first thing comes in your mind, you can just say it. Okay. If you want to
Yeah,
like have a
yeah.
sentence, वो भी चलेगा.
चलेगा. So I'm मेरा reaction is quick, response is slow.
चलेगा.
थोड़ा-
Anything works.
ठीक है, चलेगा.
ठीक है. So ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So technology.
Linux, because that's what I started. That's my first love.
Okay.
Yeah.
Innovation.
Raw engineering.
Great answer. India.
Virar.
Austin.
Food.
Engineering.
I'm trying to choose better answer. Maybe, I mean, raw engineering and Nishant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Leadership.
Nishant.
Education.
I wish I could have done better.
Future.
It's going to be good.
Challenge.
I hope we get a lot of challenges to solve. Yeah.
And success.
Now, success is, you can divide it into multiple. Right? One is every day task attain कर रहे हो उसका success versus long term क्या देख रहे हो उसका. So day to day, yeah, we are successful. But long term, I'm sure we will be successful. But we are not there yet, right? So again, there are two aspects of it. Day to day, yeah, we have been very successful. But हमको और बहुत दूर जाना है. So yeah.
Yeah. That was like great answers. I mean, studio can give like claps for that. So thank you so much, Kunal, for like allowing us to do
No,
this podcast.
thank you very much for having me here. I enjoyed it. काफी अच्छा लगा going back in time, thinking of what we did. Also, it helps in थोड़ा काफी कुछ हम लोग वहाँ पे write कर रहे थे, which we can still adapt to, right? So थोड़ा important भी है. So thanks for calling me.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
any
great.
closing lines? Any closing lines? Parting thoughts?
I'm happy to see this initiative for Virar. I think यहाँ पे भी बहुत talent है. We don't have to prove it to anyone, but there is a lot of talent here. And Virar is not a small town anymore. I'm seeing a lot of tech people from this area, a lot of people who are doing good. So I'm happy to see this initiative. And again, I'm also happy to see that we are playing a good role in this initiative. So again, I'm happy to see this and good job with this.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Kunal.
much. Thank you.
Okay, people. So that was Kunal Bharti for us, and we have seen how raw engineering, became the 15-year-old. Like all these 15 years of experience that has happened, 17 years actually, and how all these things happened and it became the glorious company that it is. And ऐसे ही नई स्टोरी के साथ नए लोगों के साथ मिलेंगे नए एपिसोड में ऑफ सोचो एंड सीको सागा. स्टे ट्यून एंड लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब गाइस. ऑल द स्टोरीज फ्रॉम विरार फॉर नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. बाय बाय.